and give us a huge thumbs up. And we are at Home Depot and we are going to be making airplanes. Ready? Come on. Here's the instructions. Here. It is today.
So you already did step 1, you're in step 2, right?
No, we're in step 3.
You're step 3 now?
It says turn it over, get this. Okay.
What's step 3, Mia?
There. And guys, be very careful. Make sure the grown-up is with you. That's the most important thing.
Mia, wait till Daniel's done and he can help you, okay? Okay, Daniel, help Mia so she can do it with a hammer now.
He's a grown-up?
No, but I'm here watching.
Okay. Push your long way up. And make sure your finger is not at the spot or you'll smash it and it will...
Daniel, okay, put a little and then let Mia do the rest. Okay, now you do it, Mia.
Ow. Step 4. I need this. Very hard too. I put this here. Then I put this one here.
You're almost done, Mia. You get it? Hit a little bit more harder, I think. Yeah, you got a little bit more. There you go. Come on. Oh, there you go.
I did step 4.
What is
So
step
take
4?
some-
I didn't see step 4. What is step 4?
You have to put this in and this in.
Okay, help your sister, Daniel.
Okay. Get them.
Daniel, get it for her. It's right there. Show Mia how to do it so she can do it too. She wants to learn too.
You put this in here, and then when it's done, you put this one in, like this, okay? Put this one first. Yep. No, not other way, other way. No, other way. Okay, make sure it's equal. Okay, there. Now you put this in, and make sure it's above it, okay?
Yes, it is.
Here, and there's shape. Yes.
Here, guys.
It should look like this. Good. Just put it in a little more. There. Step 5. There's a dinosaur over there. Step 5.
dinosaur.
I have to put these a pony. No, here, you have to put these in. It's the wings.
What's the next step?
Put the wings in.
You wait, Mia. Wait for Daniel to be done, then he can help you with yours.
Use the screwdriver, man. And the pins are over there too.
You did it?
I don't think it's going in. Oh, I did it the wrong way.
You sure you're using the right screw?
Yeah. And guys, look at
What step are you in?
Step 5.
Step 5.
And guys, these are not real chairs. They're fake chairs.
Using the X?
Yes.
Okay.
And make sure you don't do it all the way. Make
Are
sure
you sitting on the bucket, Mia? Are those Home Depot buckets?
Yeah. And make sure you don't put it all the way. Make sure it still can move.
If you need someone to help you hold it, remember Mia can help you hold it, Daniel.
Uh-oh. I'm the master holder.
There you go.
Yeah, a little bit more.
It's supposed to move a little. Remember, it's an airplane.
I know. There.
Okay.
The funnest part is painting. Oh yeah, we're gonna paint them.
Okay. Now I'm gonna help your. Oh, you have to have both of them. Yes. You have to make sure it's inside. No, here, like that. There's your hole, yes. And then, yes, that one, it goes inside there. And then you do it with your screwdriver.
It's hard.
Here, let me help you. So you're done. So what's your next step?
Painting.
What color did you get, Mia? Pink, purple, and blue?
Yes. These are my favorite colors. Try not to get that dirty.
Daniel, what color did you get?
Black and white. For darkness and brightest.
Make sure you wear a shirt that you don't mind getting dirty, okay?
I think I used a black.
Mia, start painting so yours can dry up. Because you can't put the stickers until your airplane is dry, okay? Yeah? How's it looking? You're going to paint the back too?
Oh, were you sitting on that piece on there? I didn't know that. Look at that. I just don't know. It's already getting dried already since it's hot out here.
Yeah, we're not bad. We're in the 70s, I think. Nice weather.
It's actually not that chilly.
No, it was this morning, not no more. Yours is looking good, Mia. There's Daniel's. Okay, well, I'm going to pause it a little bit. We'll be back when they're almost done. Okay, so we're going to look at the airplanes. They're all done. They got,
This one's Mia's, this one's mine. And we also got some snacks.
so you got free hot dogs from Home Depot and the fire department. They're giving chips, hot dogs.
Free.
And they're free. And they got bananas and waters. We also heard that they have a maze we want to go through in a minute.
And guys, I'm going to tell you a joke. Lay's like that or Lay's like a chip.
Oh, yeah. Come have your lunch, Mia. Start eating your hot dog and your chips. There's a dinosaur there too. Costumes. Oh, yeah. Having fun already.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, we'll be back in a minute when you guys are finished eating. We'll go see the maze, okay?
Alright guys, we are going to go in the maze. I'm going to be holding the camera. Alright, let's go to the maze. Ready, Mia? Let's go. There's the maze. How about you let me go first so I can show the viewers? Oh, it's a real small cave. Whoa! I'm not even sure I can fit. Uh-oh, dead end. Just keep going, I guess. Oh, I see some light. I think we're getting closer. intense. Oh, fire truck. I think we made it. Uh-oh, another dead end. We made it out. Fire truck. All right, let's go somewhere else now. Ooh, creepy. Okay, get out then. Get out then.
It's all right here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's the end of our video. I hope you liked our airplanes. Comment down below what is your favorite vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye!